Hi guys, welcome back. So it's another lovely day here in North Wales, Anglesey, and we're about halfway through September now, and we're going to be harvesting some more potatoes today. But we're not going to be harvesting these ones. We're going to be harvesting a couple of the single seed potato challenge buckets. So these are the Maris Pipers. They're pretty much done now as well. And I've taken all the golden wonders from here, cut the tops off and stored them. Right, so I'll get a couple of buckets from a single seed challenge lot and get back to you. Right then guys, so these are what's left of the single seed potato challenge buckets. There's 10 in here. We've harvested one already. So we're going to go for number 2, 3 and 4 today. As you can see, a lot of these have died back, and the 4 cuttings at the back are still going strong, so we'll leave them for a bit longer. But we'll get these for you out and get you set up. Right then guys, so here we have them, buckets number 2, 3 and 4. These are from Single Seed Potato Challenge, hosted by Steve at Digwell Greenfingers. And I've mulched all these with straw and kept them detained with some stock fencing around them. But this is bucket number 2. So I'm just going to take off the straw. And loads of the true potato seeds on these. Means I didn't do a good enough job of picking the flowers off. Straight away, some nice sized potatoes there, and nice little small one right on the top. This one seems to have had a bit of damage. Jesus. Wow, that is a big one. Definitely the biggest one I've ever grown. A couple more like that and it's going very well, I think. This one's got a couple of splits in it. So is that one. And this is the chip. You can see it's not much worse for wear. Could probably even replant that, but that's all that I planted in that pot. It's giving me a potato that big. There's definitely a couple more in here. You have a split in it there. Well, bucket number 2, definitely a decent bucket of potatoes there. Like I say, it was only that single chip that was planted, and that has produced all them potatoes, and including that monster, which I think that's going to be quite a heavy one. It's a shame I didn't enter the heavy potato at Malvern. Right, so Bucket number 3 next. Look at the height of them. And all this will go straight into the compost bin. And all get composted down. Ready to reuse again next year. Oh well. As of yet, still not sure on the variety, but I'm sure Steve will tell us at the end. But I'm definitely going to save some of these for next year. And as you can see, again, that's the chit that we planted. That's all that it was, and it's given us another lovely crop of decent sized potatoes. Nothing as big as that one yet. We've still got a few to go. And if you're interested to see how I planted these, there is a full playlist on them. I will leave a link in the end of the video from start to finish, but I'm not going to give away any of the weights until Steve asks for them, and I'll do a video of weighing them all individually and just see where we're at with that. So that is off 2 buckets, a couple with a bit of damage. There's the culprit in there, look. So, right, we're on to bucket number 4 now. And again, look how tall the foliage has grown on these. And they were held up by the stock fencing. But obviously, last couple of weeks they've started to collapse. Wasp. So, no sign of anything on the top of this one. with a nice big one there. It's hard to believe all these have all come from a single seed potato that was probably smaller than that. Not as many in that one, but still a few nice big ones. I think these will be ideal for baking. Right then guys, so that's bucket 2, 3 and 4 harvested there. There's a few split, damaged, 1 or 2 that have been half eaten, 1 with some slug damage, a couple of small ones, but otherwise some lovely looking potatoes, and definitely by far the biggest one I've ever grown. Right, so I'm going to go and get these weighed up, and you'll see that video once Steve asks for the weights. So that's it for this one guys, thanks for watching, bye for now.